Here's the Seth Thomas 89AL wooden mantel clock. It has been rebuilt and refurbished. You'll hear the chime in just a second here. It's got a door with glass covering over the face. You can see that it has 2 keyholes. One keyhole winds it. The other keyhole is to wind the chime. The entire inside mechanism, the 89AL mechanism, has been rebuilt, refurbished, oiled. See, it's in wonderful working condition. And again, we're just waiting a minute or so for the chime, so you can hear that work as well. It's got a wonderful deep sound. There you go. It's 10 o'clock, so you heard 10 chimes, and then on the half hour, it chimes once.